demonstrate its combat maneuverability in an offensive environment, entering a steep spiral descent, while the F-15SG makes its re-entry from the right with a strafing pass. Together, they will integrate once again to execute a maneuver we call the Double Helix.
Engage both stationary and moving targets at standoff range. As the F-15NG repositions, the Apache will pull up into a Viking and swing forward as they come to a hover in front of the show center. Now here is the team lead of the Apache with his words of appreciation.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is Matrix from the Apache helicopter. On behalf of Team RCF, I would like to thank everyone for your continued support here at the Singapore Airshow 2024. Have a great day ahead. Matrix and Striker, check it out.
Look to your front as the Apache repositions back into show center and integrates with the F-15SG for a golden salute.
Thank you for joining us at the Singapore Airshow 2024. Hope that you enjoyed the display and have a good day ahead. This is Nick and Tony signing out.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of our integrated aerial display by Team RSAF. We are honored to be a part of the Singapore Airshow 2024, and we thank you for being a wonderful audience.
See you